everybody. Thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Jodi Peterman and I'm the owner of Elizabeth Erin Designs. And actually Hayley Peel is one of our lead designers at Elizabeth Erin Designs is with us here in Florida, and we are at Renovation Flooring in Miramar Beach. And what we want to talk to you a little bit today is talk about some trends we're seeing for 2024 and to get you excited and thinking about what's next in your own home, whether it's renovations or new construction.
So some of the really exciting trends that we're moving towards in bathrooms is kind of this Japandi design, which is really a mix of like organic materials and kind of modern lines, and then kind of playing off of that. And we're also seeing a lot of curvature in bathrooms and just making them really like soft zen spaces. So we kind of picked some of these tiles out and they play really well off of each other. So we really liked this one because it has that great texture of like almost a wood looking feel, and just really bringing like almost the outside in and kind of trying to make it a calm space. And then when you pair it with like something like this green tile,
that jade is gorgeous.
Yes, it's really pretty, and you can put this like vertically to really extend the wall and make it kind of like look like it's taller than it actually is. So yeah, these ones are great. And I love the colors to really also bring that green and nature kind of feel inside.
I love this that you picked it because it's not just a flat green. Solid. You've got that pistachio green in the deco tile here, and then it pulls up in the veining in the tile, the larger tile format. I think that's cool. I don't like just doing like one solid thing. I think that's a mistake that some people in remodeling and or new construction make when they're selecting for their homes. They just pick one color and they stick to it, but layering different shades in of the color really helps elevate that design.
Yeah, one of the big trends that we've been seeing is having to deal a lot with like fluting coming back, but in a more modern way. And so this tile is really great because it has that fluting kind of texture, but it does something different with it. It's not just like the straight up and down that we've been seeing. It kind of brings in these geometric shapes by changing everything. And so yeah,
I think it's a great blend of like feminine, masculine energies, just with the roundedness of like, because this is a 3D tile. Do you want to lift that up so they can see that? Because it's hard to see flat. Thank you. You picked such a good one. Green, I went with more of a softer look. I went more of the pistachio green look. The idea of putting a wow factor somewhere, doing a large format tile with a print on it is just beautiful. It's like a piece of artwork or fabric, navy colored cabinet, or this is a really fun product. It's got an acoustical backing to it, and it's wood slats, and it comes in like 4x8 sheets. Here, how that can really bring out like that Japandi style, like the Scandinavia, the lightness of the wood, but it's got that dark veining.
yeah.
This is a good mid-toned one.
Yeah,
I love this one. Like, and you can't just look at it like this because it looks great, right? But putting it down on the ground and letting the light, like how you're going to see it. Any questions? I think it is great to stop by Renovation Flooring. They have great hours and are very, very accommodating. Somebody will greet you right away. I don't think there's any time that I've showed up that somebody hasn't said, hey, how can I help you? What do you need? So very, very amazing. And you can always reach out to us as well. Follow us on everything. And Renovation Flooring is really great with their marketing too, so you can follow them. They're always putting great products that they're getting in. So stop on by and give us a call and check everything out and get inspired. That's the main thing. Get inspired and do what serves you. So looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Bye.